Welcome back to Smart Money School, where we make smart money simple. Today, we're tackling a big topic: investing, made simple. No Wall Street jargon, no advanced math. Just a straightforward guide for beginners who want to grow their money. If you've been afraid to start investing or think it's too complicated, this video is for you. Stick around until the end, and I'll share a simple investing formula you can follow no matter how much money you make. Let's start with the big question. What is investing? Investing is putting your money to work so it can grow over time. Instead of sitting in a savings account losing value to inflation, you put it into things like stocks, index funds, or real estate, assets that can increase in value. The goal? Build wealth and reach your financial goals faster. Why is investing important? Because saving alone won't get you there. Let's say you save $200 a month in a regular savings account. After 30 years, you'll have about $72,000. Not bad. But if you invest that same $200 and earn an average 7% annual return, you'll have over $240,000. That's the power of compound growth. Your money earns money, and then that money earns money. When should you start? The best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time? Today. Time in the market beats timing the market. You don't need thousands to begin. Some apps let you start with as little as $5. Okay, but how do you actually start? Here's a simple 3-step plan. Step 1. Build a safety net. Before investing, make sure you have an emergency fund. At least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Investing comes with risk. Your emergency fund protects you from having to sell investments when the market is down. Step 2. Open the right account. For most beginners, that means a white Roth IRA or a U401k if your job offers one. These are tax-advantaged accounts designed for retirement. They help your money grow faster by reducing taxes. No retirement plan at work? No problem. Use a Roth IRA or open a brokerage account on apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or M1 Finance. Step 3. Choose simple investments. Don't try to pick individual stocks. It's risky and time-consuming. Instead, use index funds or white ETFs. These are bundles of stocks that track the entire market. The most popular? VTSA, X, or VTI. They give you exposure to hundreds of companies in one simple fund. They're low-cost, diversified, and proven to outperform most active investors over time. How much should you invest? Start small. Even $50 a month matters. A good target? 15% of your income if you can. Make it automatic. Set up recurring transfers so it happens without thinking. What about risk? Yes, the market goes up and down, but over the long term, it goes up. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 7% to 10% annually, even with crashes. The key? Stay invested. Don't panic. Don't sell during dips. Bonus, the simple formula. Here's your investing plan in one sentence. Spend less than you earn. Save the difference. Invest consistently. Be patient. That's it. No guessing, no gambling. Just consistent, steady growth. If you made it this far, you now know more about investing than most people. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting started. So pick one step today, whether that's opening an account, setting up a transfer, or just learning more. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching Smart Money School. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more no-fluff money lessons. See you next time.